It's Mihai Trăistariu, the Romanian singer, very popular in Romania. He took part in the 2006 Eurovision Song Contest. He got a very respectable fourth place for Romania in 2006. He had a very popular song. It's still popular in Malta. The song is Tornerò. And you're here back in Malta for the 11th time. Why are you here now?
It is a Romanian concert now. It's a charity concert, but 9 times I've been here for Maltese people. So 2 times for Romanian communities and 9 times for you.
We have a very strong Romanian community here, and you're very popular in Romania. And what you've been doing since Eurovision, I know that you were also trying to represent again Romania. You love Eurovision too. And you had some great projects going on between 2006 and now, 2018.
Yes. First of all, I'm a huge fan of Eurovision. That's why I need to try again to win this competition. My dream is to win Eurovision one day, to win the first place for my country, for your country. I don't know for who, but in my mind it is set here to win this competition. Since 2006, I started the music school in Romania, in Constanța. I live in Constanța, not in Bucharest.
Next to the sea, the Black Sea, next to Mamaia Beach.
Oh, you know.
It's a great place. I've been, yeah.
I also do 4 talent festivals in Romania for children and for all kind of stuff, all kind of talents. And I do a lot of concerts, a lot of songs, new songs, projects, and I travel a lot. I think my life changed after Eurovision 2006 because of Eurovision, because of Tornerò, and that's why I really want to try again in Eurovision, because I think if you win the first place, your life can be something like a dream, a paradise. Or I feel like I have to win. That's why I try again. I think about Malta the next year, because in Romania I tried for 9 times. In 2006 it was the 6th time when I tried in Eurovision. After this winning year, I've tried 3 times again, and now I'm thinking to try for Malta, because I asked for the rules in your country, and it is written there I have to do a duet with some Maltese singer, so I will find a Maltese singer and a Maltese composer. So people, can you dream with me to win this Eurovision? I can dream with this idea to sing with a Maltese singer and to have a Maltese song. So I can try the next year for Eurovision, because I repeat, my dream is to win Eurovision, and I think it's possible. It's not so impossible. You need a very powerful song, you need good voices, maybe some experience and a huge show, so it is possible.
You have a good voice. I mean, it's very unique. You have also, you can go very high. I can hear you. That's very unique of you. And you were here also asking about Maltese writers. Maybe you collaborate with them for a Eurovision song.
Yes, I asked some fans, because I had a meeting today with the OGA Malta, with 12 fans from this organization. And I asked them about good singers who can sing with me, who can compose a good song for Eurovision. So you told me a lot of good ideas. I will think about it, and I will write to them. So singers from Malta, I will write to you, and composers. I need to find a good singer and a good composer. That's it. And I will start from now. This is the moment when I will start to compete for Eurovision 2019.
You've been 11 times in Malta. Which are the places that you really like in Malta? I know you this morning you've been to Comino, your skin show.
I'm black now because of Comino. It's too much sun.
You're gonna have a nice sun.
Yes, but it's the greatest. I also posted on my Facebook today the greatest place in the world. It's Comino in Malta, Gozo. You have a wonderful country. And in my interviews, when they ask me which is the best place, I've been in more than 30 countries with concerts, and I said the first place is Malta, and I mean it. It's great here, so I will come back here every time.
Mihai, we wish you luck. Enjoy the rest of your stay here in Malta. I know it's not going to be the last time here. And maybe, yes, one day we'll see you flying the Maltese flag here for Eurovision.
Yes, I hope so. And see you next year for Eurovision.
Mulțumesc.
Thank you.